Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Again, welcome to the iTeracare family and Oxytop by iTeracare family. Once again, I am Kuya Vincent. I'm a licensed physical therapist working here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. And today, we will be sharing to you the Oxytop device. It's the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. And also, we will be doing a live actual demonstration of the Oxytop machine measuring the dissolved oxygen versus the other waters available here in the United Arab Emirates. As we all know, the rules of three, a person can survive 3 weeks without food, a person can survive 3 days without water, but a person can only survive 3 minutes without oxygen. Okay, so Oxytop, basically, it has two elements, water and oxygen, the two most vital elements that the body needs. The food, we can get it anywhere, but water is essential, and oxygen is also essential. We are actually using the water to deliver oxygen into our body. So it's like a medicine with a capsule. The water is the capsule, and the medicine that is inside is the oxygen. So oxygen is really, really vital because the presence of the oxygen is the absence of the disease. Try to hold your breath for 3 minutes, guys. So you will know that oxygen is very, very important. This is the first element that is given to a person once he enters the hospital, and the last element given to him before he or she dies. So oxygen is really, really very essential. Remember, during the COVID time, everybody are fighting for their oxygen tanks because without the oxygen, you're gonna die. But luckily, thank God, thank you, Sir Wilson Tan, the most intelligent professor, and he was the one who invented the Oxytop. Thank you so much. You are really a candidate for a Nobel Prize. So you're really a great scientist for inventing the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. Thumbs up to you, Sir Wilson. So thank you for giving us the world's first oxygen. And today, we will be demonstrating a live, actual demonstration of our Oxytop machine. So this is our Oxytop, guys. We are just using any bottled water, any water that you are drinking. So it will run, and basically the freshness of the water depends upon the amount of dissolved oxygen. With low dissolved oxygen in the water, it makes the water unhealthy and stale. Right now, we will be doing a live demonstration, and we will be measuring the dissolved oxygen in every water available in UAE. Evian water. This is the most expensive water you can find there in the market. So it's almost 5 dirhams per bottle. Fiji. Very, very expensive. Volvic water. Also very, very expensive. These are the three most expensive. So we will know why these waters are very expensive. And we will be also including the two most famous, popular water here in United Arab Emirates, My Dubai. This is my brand, My Dubai. And Al Ain. This is where I live, Al Ain. So we will also include these two most famous water. So water is H2O, guys, right? So every water has their own dissolved oxygen content. And as I've told you, the dissolved oxygen content is the measurement of the freshness of the water. It should be between 8 to 20 parts per million, or ppm. So today, we will be measuring what are the dissolved oxygen contents of each water of the water that we have right now. And in order for us to measure it, we have this dissolved oxygen meter. This is the device, the tool that we will be using to measure the amount of oxygen present in the water. This is actually used in aquaculture. Remember, during the COVID time, all of us has this kind of device, the pulse oximeter. This device. So this is the amount. This is the device to measure the SpO2 in our body, and this is the device to measure the dissolved oxygen content in the water. So if you can see here, dissolved oxygen. So right now we will do a live test while we are using our water. This one, this is actually alane water, so we are actually oxygenating it already. So we will first measure how much is the dissolved oxygen of the Evian. This is the Evian, guys. So how much, why Evian is so expensive? Have any one of you tasted already Evian, guys? Okay, sorry, but not all have drink Evian. Really, that's the real truth. But we will be measuring why Evian water is very, very expensive. We will be measuring how much is the dissolved oxygen of the Evian water. So using our dissolved oxygen meter, our tester, this is it. This is the moment of truth. And we'll try to measure the dissolved oxygen. This is already calibrated, guys. So we will see how much is the dissolved oxygen content in the Evian water. So why is it so expensive? So guys, this is the actual live demonstration of the dissolved oxygen measurement for the Evian water. 7.4, 7.3 parts per million, 7.1. So the Evian is 7.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. 7.3. No wonder it's very, very good product. But we will see how much is the dissolved oxygen. 7.3. So that's 7.3 parts per million. Oops. Yan. 7.3 parts per million. Then we will just try to write here 7.3 parts per million. That's for the Evian, guys. Evian is 7.3 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Now we'll go to the Fiji. This is the Fiji, guys. We will measure how much is the dissolved oxygen content of the Fiji water. Have any one of you tried the Fiji water, guys? This Fiji water is, where is it came from? Japan, Mount Fiji. So this is the Fiji water. We'll try to measure how much is the Fiji water dissolved oxygen content using our tester. So we are measuring the Fiji water. So it's 7. How much is the Fiji water? 7.4 parts per million. 7.4. 7.4 parts per million, guys. Fiji water. It's higher than the Evian water. So Fiji is 7.4 parts per million. So now we will test the Volvic water. How much is the dissolved oxygen content of the Volvic water? This is the Volvic water, guys, from France. It's very, very expensive. 5 dirhams per bottle. So using our dissolved oxygen tester for the Volvic water, how much is the dissolved oxygen content for the Volvic? .8. That's the Volvic water. 7.8. 7.9. So 7.3, 7.4, 7.7. So that's 7.7 parts per million. Okay, that's the high. 7.7 parts per million. Again guys, if you can just check the three most expensive bottled waters in the market. Evian is 7.3, Fiji is 7.4, then Volvic is 7.7. These are the dissolved oxygen contents of these three most expensive water available here in UAE. Okay. Now we will be measuring the two most famous water available in My Dubai. UAE, the My Dubai and the Al Ain. So how much is the dissolved oxygen content of My Dubai? We'll just pour water here. This is the My Dubai water. And again, we will try to measure how much is the dissolved oxygen of the My Dubai. Why this is the most famous, two most famous waters in the UAE. My Dubai, how much is the dissolved oxygen content? We'll see 7.9, 7.8, 7.6, 7.5, 7.3. So this is now the My Dubai water, 7.3, 7.0 per million. 6.6 parts per million, 6.5. So it's dropping guys. The dissolved oxygen content in My Dubai is 6.5 parts per million. 6.3 parts per million. 6.3. My Dubai is 6.3 parts per million. So now we will be measuring Al Ain water. How much is Al Ain water? So you need an extra cup here. Al Ain water. How much dissolved oxygen? This is also famous guys, Al Ain water. So how much is the dissolved oxygen content of My Dubai, of Al Ain water? This is Al Ain water. How much is the dissolved oxygen? So it's now reading, starts to read 7.8, 7.6, 7.5, 7.2, 6.9. Now it's reading the My Dubai water 6.6. So how much is My Dubai? Al Ain water, sorry. This is Al Ain water. 6.5 parts per million, 6.4, and it's dropping 6.2. It's even dropped to 5.9. So that's the Al Ain water. Basically, I tested every water already. Al Ain is the lowest of all dissolved oxygen contents in Al Ain in UAE. So that's average of 5.5. 5.5 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Now we will go to Oxytop. So we'll first run through whatever the contents of the water available here in UAE. Evian water is 7.3 dissolved oxygen. Fiji is 7.4. Volvic is 7. Normally they are all 7. The My Dubai is 6.3. And Al Ain water is 5.5. So we will be using the same water here. This is the Oxytop already. See, you can see we have already oxygenated our water a while ago. This is the same Al Ain water. This is the same Al Ain water. The 5.5 parts per million. Now we will be measuring the same water. This is Al Ain water also. And we'll just check how much dissolved oxygen. From 5.5 to How much? We'll see. We will put here in the Oxytop. Just measure it. Here, guys, this is the Oxytop water, and we will try to measure how much dissolved oxygen we have with the Oxytop. See, directly it goes up to 32.5 parts per million. Guys, this is the same Al-Ain water that we have tested. So, from Al-Ain water, 5.5, it goes up to 30 parts per million. 29 parts per million. So, can you imagine? We are drinking 500% dissolved oxygen higher than any other water compared to Evian 7.3, 7.4 for VG, and 7.7 for Volvic. But for Oxytop water, it's 30 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. 29, 28. It's still far better compared to the Evian, which is the most expensive. See, the Evian is 7.3, but what we have right now is 30 parts per million. 29, 24, 23, 29 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. See, that's how powerful our Oxytop is. This is the same water as the Al-Ain water. So the Al-Ain water is 5.5. This is the Al-Ain water, guys. It's the same water that we have tested. We'll just try to check the Oxytop water. It's 30. Even 34.9. 35 parts per million, guys. The Oxytop, 35 parts per million. Al-Ain water, we'll see. It's the same water. This is the lowest water. See, continuously it drops because the water that we are commonly drinking is low of oxygen. See? Because it's less of oxygen compared to the Oxytop water. So it continuously reads and continuously drops. But once I transfer to the Oxytop water, boom, directly it goes up to 30. So this is live, actual demonstration. So if you have this machine with you, this Oxytop, whatever water you are drinking, guys, whether if it's Evian, Fiji, Volvic, whether My Dubai or Al-Ain, whether it's expensive or less expensive, guys, no, doesn't matter. But if you have this machine with you, it increases the oxygenation. The oxygen, water or dissolved oxygen content is higher. So you are already drinking oxygen. You are oxygenating your cells, guys, with having this Oxytop machine. So, see, 27, 28 parts per million, 31. Compared to the ordinary water, I will test Evian. This is Evian. See, this is Evian water, guys. 32. This is Oxytop, 32. We will test Evian again. This is Evian water. How much is Evian water? See, it drops. It significantly drops. So, this is Evian. This is Evian. So, how much is Evian again? 7.3. It will still go down to 7.3 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. See? Continuously drops until it reaches 7.5, 7.3 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. It's consistent, guys. Nothing beats documentation. Or documentation beats any conversation. Oxytop. See Oxytop? Goes up to 30 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Grabe. You're drinking already oxygen, 31. This is the Oxytop water, guys, 32. I'll go back to the Evian. See? Sudden drop. Sudden drop because less oxygen. Again, as I've told you, low dissolved oxygen in the water makes the water unhealthy and stale. So, this is it, guys. So, wow, wow, wow. Nice, nice, nice. So, this is how we measure our dissolved oxygen in our water. So, with Oxytop, if you have this device at home, it's like you have a factory of oxygen at your tabletop. So, it's really good for sports. So, if you have athletes, if you know any athletes, just drink Oxytop water. It increases blood oxygen, improving sports performance, guys. Napakaganda nito kasi it's because you are lowering the buildup of lactic acid. You are using not the anaerobic process of metabolism but the aerobic process. So, oxygen is life, guys. It's the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. And the good thing about here, see, it's consistent, guys, oh. It's consistent here. See, we have the findings before. For the Evian, it's 7.41. What we have here is 7.3. We have the Fiji is 7.73. What we have here is 7.4. We have the Volvic, it's 8. We have here 7.7. It's consistent. From Evian, Fiji, and Volvic still the highest. So My Dubai 6.3. Al-Ain is 5.5 parts per million. While the Oxytop, we will try to type the Oxytop, it reaches up to 31 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. So nothing beats documentation, guys. Third Oxytop, Evian, oxygen, the absence of the disease.